This afternoon at Coyote Classics, we're checking out a gorgeous 1966 Mustang convertible. One of my favorite color combinations is this turquoise on turquoise. And that's exactly what this Mustang has done, and very straight up and down the sides. And very, just pure stock. It's a stock exhaust, just a nice smooth sound. You almost can't even hear it when you're in there running it. Really classy car. We did a lot of work to the interior on this Mustang. Tim spent about a week on it. All new seat covers front and back. I think we did do carpet, just a ton of interior work. It was a great car, but the interior was just original and kind of worn out, and it really made a turnaround and really boosted this whole car up. It was a fantastic car to begin with. Power steering, very, very solid. Great running 289. Beautiful engine compartment. Inner fenders are very solid. There's your factory VIN. There's a factory V8 car. Paint on the bottom side of the hood is gorgeous. Inner fender on this side is just as solid as the driver's side. Battery ends look great. Radiator support's nice and straight. Hood closes with ease and lines up really well. Probably the worst part is I just noticed there's a few chips right here at the front of the hood. The hood lines up great. Horse and corral. Look like they may be original, but just in very nice shape. Headlights look good. Front valance is nice. No dents or dings in it. Bumper has a great shine to it. So look here at the back corner of the hood. That fits flush with the fender. Fender and door gap is excellent. Very solid rocker. And a very solid undercarriage as well. If you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com, we'll put a link down in the comment section. But go to the website, check out the undercarriage photos, trunk photos, all the description and detailed information on there about this Mustang. But today our goal is to even get a little bit more detailed for you on this car if you're interested in purchasing it. Go around, show you the ins and outs, point out any imperfections, test drive it. As I said, new door panels, those are excellent. Tim did a beautiful job on the interior. Dash paint's gorgeous. Seat covers are excellent. He did really nice recovering them and new foam in those as well. Steering column, dash paint, all that looks great. New glove box door. Beautiful dash pad. We spent a ton of time and money on this interior, but it's worth it. You know, that's where, especially in a convertible, when you're driving it 99% of the time with the top down, got to have a beautiful interior, and this one does. The matching parade boot, and it does have a white top underneath that's in very nice shape. Do have a little scratch right here. Not noticeable until you get right up on it. And the thing is, with any of these old car guys, it doesn't matter if it's a $100,000 car. They all have, a bubble or a blister or a scratch, or, they're not brand new, and that's what makes them so special. But think about it, even your new cars have chips and scratches, and nothing in this world's perfect, but this is a damn nice Mustang. Trunk lid lines up well. And this is a color that if you go to your local car show, it's going to stand out. Probably going to win a trophy. Definitely going to get a lot of thumbs up and questions about this car. I love the wheels. They're like a take on the original style wheel with a little more modern spin to them, I guess. Look great. Set the car off. This door fits excellent as well. You're not going to get a door to fit any better than that right there. Doors pop right open. Here's your factory trim tag. Color is U. And on our website, that'll all be decoded in the description. So it'll tell you exactly how this car came from the factory. And if I'm not mistaken, it was originally a turquoise on turquoise car. Door jamb paint's really nice. Rocker's great. Never had a patch or anything like that in the rocker. Door jamb paint, I would say, is just as nice as the paint on the exterior of the car. Again, seats have been recovered. And all the chrome around where the convertible top sits is nice too, not rusty. A lot of times you'll see that with these convertibles, that this chrome piece here will be all beat up and rusty. Not this one. A small little paint imperfection right down here. Sit behind the wheel. Hornworks does have a power convertible top right down there. Turn the key, fires right up. Really nice, smooth idle. Temp gauge works, and we'll double check that here in a minute when we get to driving it. Gas gauge, oil pressure gauge. Heater fan works on all speeds. They put in a newer style Mustang radio that fits in the factory spot. No goofy holes were cut in the dash. That's what's really nice about these. They look good. They fit in the factory spots. You don't have to butcher a dash. How about that? Glove box light still works. Just tells you a lot about the car and its previous owners and how well this thing was taken care of. Odometer reads 57,000 miles. And judging by the condition of the original interior when it came in, and the undercarriage, it could be the original miles, but of course on any old car, you never know. But this one definitely is nice enough and original enough to be that low mileage car. I think the previous owner had said it was original miles, but again, nothing on these old cars is verifiable in regards to mileage. You can only go by off what you see, what you feel, and the feeling you get when going around it. Power steering works really nice. That's a great option for a Mustang to have, because not all of them did, not many of them did, so it makes it really nice. How about that too? This is my first time driving it, and I'm really impressed. And that was just 400 feet right there, but just the way it accelerated, the smoothness of the shift, speedometer worked perfect, no bounce, brakes absolutely perfect, nice full pedal, stopped nice and straight. Sometimes it really only takes, you know, a short drive in something like this to give you that overall feel and give you a great idea of what the car is. So your power steering, perfect. Great throttle response, really smooth. Speedometer works perfectly. Excellent shift there into third gear. Suspension is perfect. No hands on the wheel, no pull left or right. Steering is nice and tight. Very, very nice Mustang. And the great thing with these cars, they're just a great all-around cruiser. And if you ever need to do any work on them, you know, parts are very readily available. In fact, you know, if you wanted to, you could probably build a car out of a catalog with these Mustangs with the amount of parts that you can get for them. It makes them easy to maintain. And just a great car if you just want something you can pull out of your garage, enjoy, take to car shows, take to cruises. Just nothing quite like an old car and the feeling you get when you're driving them. Rearview mirrors nice and tight. There's your power steering. No tire rub. You know, it's got the aftermarket wheels, non-original wheels, and no tire rub up front. Great acceleration, good oil pressure. Temp gauge is coming up, so that works. Gas gauge works. Check this Mustang out on our website, coyoteclassics.com. This is a pretty hard to beat Mustang. I know you're gonna love it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, drop a like, drop a comment, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.